Import from Excel to FOUNDAXIS. You can import your model information into FOUNDAXIS from any software using Excel sheets. Go to foundaxis.com and create a new project. Select Excel from the Import Options dialog. Select your preferred unit system, technical, imperial, or SI units. Download the 3 Excel template files. These Excel files must be filled with information about node coordinates and reactions. First, you have to select only the nodes restrained at the base of your building. It's recommended to separately select nodes from walls and nodes from columns. Select all nodes connected to walls. Then, display the table that contains the labels and coordinates of all selected nodes. Copy and paste the columns corresponding to node labels and coordinates. Then, indicate whether the nodes should have wall pedestals or column pedestals. For wall pedestals, the angle is not relevant. Identify which nodes correspond to wall extremes, then indicate it in the Is Extreme column of the Excel file. A value of 1 in Is Extreme indicates that the node is an extreme of a wall. Repeat the process for the nodes connected to columns. Pedestal type C indicates that these nodes are connected to columns. The next step is to fill the files with node reactions for both service and ultimate loads. Select all nodes and display the table that contains node reactions. Make sure to select only service load combinations. Copy and paste the columns with node labels, reactions, and load combination names. Note that torsional loads are neglected in FOUNDAXIS, and make sure gravity is aligned with the negative z-axis. Finally, you must manually indicate whether each load combination is static or dynamic, since FOUNDAXIS uses different allowable bearing pressures for each type. Repeat the process for the ultimate load combinations in the separate Excel file. The 3 Excel files are now ready to be uploaded to your FOUNDAXIS project. You must confirm whether the files contain reactions or external forces. All nodes are imported as isolated foundations, even those connected to walls. From the Optimizing button, you can automatically join overlapping foundations to generate the walls of your model. Once your walls are correctly identified, check the AI-powered foundation plan proposals. Explore the proposals and select the one that best fits your project. Isolated foundations are automatically grouped, and you can manually edit these groups. Click on Optimize All Foundations. Then, click on Finish, and FOUNDAXIS will automatically calculate your foundation's performance for all load combinations. Check bearing pressures for all load combinations. Then, you can proceed with the following modules: steel reinforcement design, geotechnical analysis, calculation report, and much more.